Can an LLC have multiple DBAs? Yes, an LLC can have multiple DBAs doing business as names. This allows the LLC to operate different brands, services, or product lines under separate names while still being legally one company. For example, Greentree LLC could register DBAs like Greentree Landscaping, Greentree Snow Removal, and Greentree Lawn Care. Each DBA must be registered with the state or county where you plan to use it, and filing fees may apply for each name. Some states also require publishing a notice or renewing DBAs periodically. While DBAs make branding flexible, they do not create separate legal entities. All liability and taxes still belong to the LLC. Zen Business can help you register multiple DBAs for your LLC so you can expand your business under different names with ease. The link is in the description. And if you want a step-by-step breakdown of LLC basics, you can also download my free guide on how to set up an LLC. That link is in the description too.